Hello everyone. So this is the first time I attached the Apple Pencil. So for some reason it was not detecting in the cable. So because it was never attached. So for the first time, I suggest you removing the case and pairing it for the pairing purpose. You can see you will get a welcome screen. Welcome to Apple Pencil. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see. So create quick note, scribble, switch tools with gesture, easily capture screenshots. Yeah, let's click on continue. uh, Let me take the pencil and try to scribble to see. Okay, hello, looks nice. Let's go back. Okay, scratch to delete. How do I select? Circle. Nice. Inserting. How do I insert? Tap and hold with your pencil to wherever. This looks complicated. Let me try again. How do I join? Okay. Nice. So island. Explore, double tap. You can see the gesture. Oh, it went. Thank you for watching how to pair your Apple Pencil. Yep. Thank you for watching.